A heads up to drivers who travel on the I-480 Valley View Bridge that you could be seeing delays over the next week as ODOT starts to replace the bridge deck right there. Construction will start tonight and continue until Wednesday, July 25th. Crews will close various lanes on I-480 east and westbound across the bridge. But there is some good news for most drivers. Most of this work will be taking place overnight. Lanes will be closed from 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. in order to shift traffic across the bridge. So for majority of commuters, this work should not affect you very much when work is done. All lanes on 480 east and westbound across the bridge will be shifted to the left through fall of 2018. Now construction for I-480, this is only the beginning. As we know, this work is a part of a much larger project, $227 million project that's set to wrap up in a number of years, 2024. A long road before them. For now, John, over to you.
A lot of work and a lot of work being done overnight there.
Yeah.
All right, Austin, thank you.